All right, today I'm going to show you how to juice blueberries in a juicer. Right here I have organic blueberries that have been washed, rinsed, and washed again. And right here I have my juicer. This is an Angel juicer, which is a really good juicer. And I also have the soft filter attachment on the juicer right here. Now the soft filter attachment for this particular juicer is for soft fruits and vegetables to go through here, and it has larger holes to allow juice to go through. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take the blueberries and I'm going to go ahead and put it down the chute right here for the soft blueberry soft filter attachment. With the soft filter attachment, I'm going to put the blueberries in there. And the blueberries are going to start to catch on, and you can see some of the pulp is starting to come out at the other end right here. And I'm just going to assist it by taking my plunger and kind of gliding it down here. And you can see the juice is now coming up from out of this, and the pulp is coming out at the other end. I'm going to go ahead and put some more blueberries inside of this. I'm going to assist it again. Just like that. Now the pulp seems kind of wet right here, and I'm wondering if I could have also used the standard filter attachment to this instead of using the soft fruit attachment to it. But we'll see. I'm just going to go ahead and guide it down in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually try to put the pulp through it again to see if I can get a little bit more juice extracted out of all the blueberries that I put in here. So I'm going to do this. And then I put all of that in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This looks kind of wet. It's a lot of juice still in there. So I'm just going to go and pour the pulp in there, see if I can get a little bit more juice action out of it. And I am getting some more juice action out of it, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and take a look at see how much juice I was able to get out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to go ahead and pull out, look at that, all that blueberry juice. So that's fresh blueberry juice, and that's how you juice blueberries in a juicer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.